Alright, boys and girls, today we're going to do an art tutorial. Really, it's a doodle. These are fun to do. We do it sometimes at the Boys and Girls Club in our art class, just kind of as a free draw. Sometimes we do something called Zentangle, some of you may be familiar with. Really, it's just a way to express your creativity, which is always an important thing to do. I believe that we're created in God's image, and the first thing we learn about God is that He's a creator, So I think we're created to create, and for some of us that means art. For some of us that's on the basketball court. Maybe some of us it's both. We're stuck at home sometimes, right now with everything going on. So this is a real simple project where you just literally need a piece of paper and a pen, and we're going to use what God gave us, and we're going to just be creative. We'll probably make some mistakes along the way, and that's all right. I'll talk about that a little bit at the end of the video too. But that happens, and what matters is learning from those mistakes, and also, kind of embracing them and turning that into the art in a way. So work with what you got. I'm going to be using some Pigma Microns, Pigma Graphics. These are just pens that are real nice to use, if you have them. But if you don't, you can use, a cheap little pen like this. Probably costs $1 at the store. Something that I've learned, and something that I learned from somebody who is a very good photographer, is that the best art tool that you have is whatever you have with you. The best camera is the one that you have. So if it's a phone, cool. If it's, a nice pen that you're going to draw with, awesome. If it's a cheap pen, guess what? You can make great art with that, because it's not the tool that you're using, it's how you use that tool. So we're going to just do our best. Hopefully this video turns out really cool, and hopefully you learn something from it, and you're able to kind of express your creativity and do some, interesting, cool things. And maybe it's something that you don't normally do, but just give it your best, and like I said, learn from it. Whatever we can take from what we're given, that's the ultimate goal, is that we're able to do something and learn something at the same time. So yeah, that being said, let's get into the video. Let's start drawing. I'll probably switch out to an overhead shot so you can kind of see what my hands are doing, and we'll go from there. I hope you guys enjoy, and I definitely want to see if you did do this, if you followed along, did your own kind of doodle drawing, show us somehow, post a picture of it, whatever you want to do. We'd love to see it for sure. Alright, y'all, well, that concludes our drawing. You know, it's not perfect, and neither is the video. I think we stopped recording for a little bit there. But that's okay. Sometimes you make mistakes, and you turn those mistakes into the art itself. So, no worries.